Hello everyone, friends. My name is Maksym Mamchur. I am the founder of the Kinesiotherapy Center Network Healthy Movement. I am also a physical therapist, and on this channel we discuss topics related to the musculoskeletal system. And today we have a very interesting topic. We will precisely look at why our hands often go numb, why our hands frequently go numb specifically at night, why we consistently feel discomfort, and what causes this uncomfortable sensation to happen. What is the anatomical basis for all of this, and what exercises can help eliminate it? So don't switch away. Let's get started. So friends, there are 3 points where numbness in the hands can occur. First, the first place. Let's put it this way. The first location is the area on the neck. Right around this particular region, when the scalene muscle significantly compresses the delicate nerves that extend into the arm, the scalene muscle can become quite contracted, and this is a crucial muscle primarily involved in the process of inhalation. It effectively lifts our shoulders upward. Accordingly, when it is dysfunctional or not functioning properly, it can indeed compress the nerve. And against this background, we experience numbness in the arm. The second location is the area of the pectoralis minor muscle. If our shoulders are hunched forward, if the muscles between the shoulder blades are weak, and we have a kyphoscoliotic posture, in this situation, our arm can also become numb. We might wake up at night and feel that our arm is numb, or feel as if our arm doesn't even belong to us, try to massage it, and so on. And the third location is the elbow joint, where compression can also occur, causing numbness in the arm as well. So today, my dear friends, we will look at effective exercises that can universally help us work on all 3 of these crucial locations, and by precisely targeting the very epicenter, effectively relieve the persistent discomfort that truly bothers us and causes this constant nagging numbness. So don't switch channels. Prepare yourself a 2 square meter space, and right now we'll naturally start doing exercises together that will truly relieve this compression and help you forget about any discomfort. Let's get started. So the first exercise we're going to start with, friends, is an exercise with a ball, an ordinary common tennis ball, which you can readily buy anywhere at any sporting goods store. Where do we start? I take this ball and then just find the area of the scalene muscle. By the way, I'll show you right here exactly what it looks like. I will take the spherical ball, carefully place it within this designated area, and then simply begin the process of gently rolling the ball over this entire area from the very bottom all the way up. Like this, you can use circular motions or just regular up and down movements. This is truly how you precisely roll it out. I spend literally 5 full minutes of my time on this particular exercise. For 5 minutes, I meticulously roll from the very bottom up. If you find a specific trigger point where the pain intensifies, you can give it a bit more focused attention, really concentrate on it, and use the ball to effectively massage it just like this. You might find a very tiny, precise spot where you distinctly feel pain. In that case, you can simply locate it with your fingers and work on it. A word of caution, you shouldn't press too hard. It should be a moderate, medium pressure as you gently work through it. We do the same with the ball on the other side as well, applying similar pressure. Even if you only experience numbness on the left side of your body, it's incredibly important to diligently work on the right side in precisely the same manner. We dedicate a full 5 minutes to our muscles, following the exact same principle, meticulously moving from the very bottom all the way up. 5 minutes. Find the precise spot, then gently press it with your finger and diligently work on it with your finger. Take a minute to rest, you can have some water. So, exercise number 2. Again, using the ball, the pectoralis minor muscle. Here, I'll show you where it's located. I carefully place the ball, and just like I did before, for a full 5 minutes, I gently press and thoroughly massage the pectoralis minor muscle. I then slowly move from the very top to the very bottom of the muscle. Similarly, if I find any specific trigger pain point, I can effectively work on it with my finger, gently massaging it and focusing more concentrated attention on that particular area. In general, we typically work with the massage ball, but if we discover something truly specific or particularly stubborn, we can then work it out manually and precisely with a finger. We do precisely the same 5 minutes on the other side, even if absolutely nothing bothers you on that particular side. 5 minutes. By the way, right now I genuinely feel that on my right side it's not quite as tense or restricted as it is on my left side. However, I will still continue to pay close attention to it as well. Why? Because our goal moving forward will be to open up our shoulders so that the chest muscle is always relaxed and in a stretched state. That's why I work on both the left and right sides of my body for 5 minutes each. Let's drink some water. So the third exercise, let's start stretching our scalene muscle. I place my hand behind my back, in this case the left one, tilt my head slightly to the right and back at an angle, and begin to feel the stretch in approximately this area. As I slowly exhale, I gently pull my shoulders down and carefully move my head back, not with any sharp or jerky movements, just very gently back. At the very same time, I deeply feel this entire area stretching and lengthening. Return to the starting position. 2, With the exhale, return to the starting position. If it's too weak, if I feel I can do more, I can help myself a little with my hand. 3. That's just 4. Just 5. There's no need to rush. 6. And 7. If you can't quite keep up with my pace, you can simply pause the video and complete 15 repetitions on each side. Good. Switch. The same thing on the other side. 1 and 2 and to the left and back. 3 and 4. I gently pull my shoulder down, slowly tilt my head to the other side, counting to 5, and with a controlled exhalation, I will help the muscle to stretch and release. 6, and then it is 7. And again, enough. 15, maybe 20 repetitions. Let's drink some water. And the last exercise in this complex. I'm sitting in this position with a wall behind me. What am I doing? I reach my hand back to the wall like this, stretching out the entire line of my arm and the pectoralis minor muscle. Do 15 to 20 repetitions like this. I should feel the side of my neck stretching as well as the entire length of my arm. This particular way, we effectively work through all the specific areas I mentioned earlier, the neck, the pectoralis minor muscle, and also the elbow joint. And accordingly, in these crucial areas, the compression should gradually decrease, and as a direct result, the numbness in our hands should completely go away. Friends, if you enjoyed this episode, if you like these exercises, please make sure to subscribe. Let me know in the comments how well you managed to do the exercises I showed you and whether they were difficult or easy for you. Also, write in the comments how you feel after doing these exercises. Give this video a like and I'll see you in a week.